Hello, Ms. Martinez. This is Josh from Josh and Danny SEO, just shooting you over that video about how you can increase your online presence. So, just taking a look at your website, you have a really nice header, really nice logo, really original. I've never seen something like that design before, which I think is amazing. Then going through, you do have a nice header. What I would advise is changing this into a click to call so someone can get in touch with you straight from the website instead of having to pick up their phone, dial the number in. People are super freaking lazy. Um, the less work they have to do, the better. So I would advise making this a click to call so people could just get in contact with you right away when they get to your site. And then going through, why choose us? You have some really nice pictures, all the different flooring that you work with, which is awesome. And then some really nice reviews, all the 5-star ratings that you have between Angie and Home Advisor. Now, I'm not seeing a ton of content. So I'm seeing a lot of beautiful pictures, some nice layouts, but as far as content-wise, I'm only seeing around 200, maybe 300 words tops, including the reviews. And what Google is looking for nowadays is about 1,500 to 2,000 words with a bunch of keywords mixed in there. Now, what a keyword is a buyer intent word that someone would put in to Google in order to find your specific service. So let's take a look behind the scenes and see what's going on with your website. So when we put in your website, jmaflooring.com, into a system called Ahrefs, which allows us to take a look behind the scenes, this is what's going to pop up. So your UR rating and your DR rating are the two main things that we're going to look at. The UR rating is the strength of your website, and the DR rating is Google's trust in your website. As you can see, there's no data and there's 0 for the trust rating. The reason being is because you don't really have any backlinks. Now, what a backlink is any link that leads from one website back to yours. So not all backlinks are created equal. For example, a backlink from Wikipedia would be a horrible link to have because that's super spammy. However, a backlink from a distinguished flooring blog would be great because that is a relevant backlink to your service. Now, another super important thing are those organic keywords, as I said before, those buyer intent words. So you only have 3 of them, and from those 3, you're not getting any traffic. So let's check out what 3 keywords Google is actually ranking you for. Keyword 1, Elite Flooring Tallahassee. That seems more like a company than it does an actual flooring like keyword service. So that's out. Flooring Installation Tallahassee, Florida. That's a good keyword. 50 people a month are searching that, and you're sitting nicely on the 6th page. And unfortunately, the 2nd page is where websites go to, or the 2nd page of Google is where websites go to die. So the 6th page, unfortunately, you are buried 6 feet deep. Same thing with Tallahassee Flooring Companies, 40 people, you're on the 81st position, which is the 9th page. This is even deeper. So those are the keywords that your website is ranking for. So let's check out what one of those what one of those good keywords would be. So Flooring Tallahasee, that's one of the best keywords for Tallahassee and surrounding areas. So first thing that's going to pop up is the Google Map Pack. Now, the GMP is super important to get on because 30 to 40% of all people will stop right here and pick one of these 3 companies. Because it's the easiest thing to do. They're at the top. They must be good. Not necessarily how it works, but they ranked up here, so they're doing something right. Then you're going to have the organic rankings. So this is by strength of website. Now, your top competitor is ABC Flooring Center. So let's take a look at their website. So ABC Flooring Center, they have a nice header. They have their click to call. They have find their location, which usually is put at the bottom, but that's okay. Then they go through all of the best. They have all their accolades, what they do, all the different areas that they service, as well as the different styles of floor. And then they, once again, have their location at the bottom. So they don't have a giant website. They have a quaint, small website, but what they do have, there's a lot of content in it. So they don't have the 2,000 words, but they have a lot of stuff going on. So let's check to see why they're doing so well. So backend wise, they're doing pretty hot. UR rating, which is that strength, is 21, and the trust rating, the DR rating, is 56, which I gotta admit, they're doing pretty well. They don't have a ton of backlinks. They only have 67, but those backlinks are pretty damn powerful in order to get them these ratings. So those are really good backlinks. And another thing they're doing pretty well is those organic keywords. So let's see what buyer intent words they're ranking for and how well they're doing with them. So first thing, ABC Flooring, that is of course them, so that doesn't count. Flooring Tallahasee, as you can see, 350 people are searching this a month. They're in the top position for it, as you saw. And they're getting, just from that keyword, they're getting 40 people through their site a month. And out of those, you usually get around 10%. So they're getting a lot of calls through their site from these keywords. Rugs Tallahassee, Flooring Tallahassee, Tallahassee Flooring, carpet installation. All these have a decent amount of volume per month, searches per month, and they're on the front page for most of them. And that's why they're getting some traffic through that. So if we're looking to start beating them out, first thing, you need those backlinks. Good thing is they don't have too many. So you are looking to beat them out. So you're looking to get about 150, 200 to beat out your competition. You already have your first 67 that you're able to use, which you know these work. So you might as well take them from the ABC Abbey Carpet. Wow, that. You're able to take those backlinks and use them for yourself because you know they work. Second, you got to get that content up. 1,500 to 2,000 words so that you're able to organically put in those keywords into your site, those buyer intent words, so that Google knows to rank you for those. So you can start, so people can start finding your site and finding your specific services and areas. You do that, you're going to start seeing that organic traffic go up and getting a lot more calls to your website. Now, I hope you did find this helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to reach back out to me. And if you can leave some feedback, I'm always looking to improve. That would be awesome. You have a blessed rest of your day.